Hi everyone, looking to bring your photos to life with cinematic motion? Today I'll show you how to effectively use Wan.Video image to video feature to create a stunning animation and perfect for content creators, editors, or storytellers. Let's get started. First, visit the Wan.Video or use it to another platform, and no account needed in most cases. Then, after that, on the dashboard, you can click the image to video mode. Upload a clear and well-lit image, like for this example here. Then choose the right settings. You can select your aspect ratio based on your platform, like YouTube for 16:9 ratio, Instagram or TikTok which is 9:16, Square 1:1. Then set duration and pick a motion style. And after that, hit generate and wait for the animation to render. Preview the result and download it. And here are the tips to maximize the quality. You can use an HD images for sharper motion and stylize your images beforehand using tools like Canva or Photoshop. And also you can add cinematic audio in CapCut, Filmora, and more. And the bonus use cases. For content, or for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you can animate thumbnails or story intros and visual storytelling for AI art projects. And that's it. That's how you unlock a full potential in Wan.Video's image to video tool. Try it out and experiment with styles and take your visuals to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.